good afternoon. So, haul tayo, shopping haul. So, I bought this sa High Factor. I got this. Look at this one. I bought this. So, ganyan. Binili ko to. I bought this. Only 400 pesos. 450 pag may SIM card na. Ganun. Tapos, ito yung case niya. Ito yung case niya. So, it's IT25-2165. Maganda. Okay. Ang ganda. I love it. So, yun guys. Nilili ko to. So, thank you guys. And I bought this also. I bought this. Glasses ko. Let's try it.